3, 2, 1, and we get to relax. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we are working on the core. Perfect video for today. It is my rest day from lifting weights, so I do cardio today, core, and I stretch. So let's get started in about 20 seconds. We're gonna start with the reverse crunch. We've got 45-second work intervals, 15-second rest intervals. Let's get down on the ground. We're going for the reverse crunch. In 5 seconds, support your lower back. You're just gonna do this basic motion. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we got 45 seconds of this. Let's go. 1, 2. Welcome to Fit After 50, guys. My name is Paul, and as always, I take you through all these workouts, and most of them are filmed right here in this small little basement workout room. Bring those knees up, bring those butts up a little bit. Try to make these exercises get progressively harder as we go. Five seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, got 50 seconds. We're going to slow bicycles. It's gonna alternate knees to elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs out. Let's go. 1. What I always do, the audio kind of gets messed up. The microphone hits my chin or my neck, whatever you want to call it. Keep on going, guys. 45 seconds, 30 seconds now. Keep working with me. It's only 8 exercises. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, we're going for a V hold. Sit up. Find your balance. I might fall over. So I always say, my workouts are your workouts, and they're always filmed in one take. So you never know what's gonna happen. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Legs up and just hold it. That's the best I can do today. That's my flexibility. It's pretty meager, but it is what it is. Just hold it up in the air. Doing this for 45 seconds. Moving right through this today. Keep it up. Fight it. 20 seconds left. Stay right here with me. Not much of a V. It's more of an L. That's falling backwards. Yeah, that's my flexibility. Keep on fighting it, guys. Keep on fighting it. It works the core the same. Keep on fighting. Do the best that you can. Come on. 3, 2, 1, and chill. All right, now we're going some horizontal scissors. Lay back. Support your lower back with your arms like I will. And we're going to do scissors horizontally. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Good pace. I don't want you doing this. This is not an exercise. Control the movement as much as you can. "20 seconds left. Next exercise, we're gonna do a reverse crunch, but we're gonna kick our legs towards the ceiling. I'm gonna use this kettlebell behind me to support myself. I have nothing to hold on to. You don't have to hold on to anything, but if you have a little more control over your movement, if you have something to hold on to, it will definitely help. And this is what I'm gonna use. I think it's, I don't know, 50 some odd pounds, I don't know, 24 kilograms, 28 kilograms. I'm not sure, I can't tell you what it is exactly, but I know it works. 3, 2, 1. So you're gonna legs up and back down. 45 seconds. After this, we're gonna move on to some plank movements. Keep it up.
Should be feeling the heat right now. 7. One more in us. 1.
And we're done. All right, now we're moving to some plank movements. Don't need this weight anymore. Plank position, you're gonna swing your knees to the outside, to the outside, to the outside. 3, 2, 1, again a plank. Knee out, knee back, out, back. Nice and easy. Perfect, stay here, out, back, out, back. Keep it here, 20 seconds left. Three, 2, 1, and relax. Now it's gonna be the same position, guys, but we're gonna take the knee and bring it across to the opposite elbow. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and opposite elbow. Boom, like that. And across. And across. Keep it up. Less than 20 seconds left. Keep moving, guys. Three, 2, 1. That's it. We're taking a little longer break. 30 seconds. Double the break. I'm going to go. We are going to go. We are going to go for a 3-minute plank hold. Best that we can. Like I said, my workout is, I like working tough on my core, everything else for that matter. See if we can make 3 minutes. So on your forearms, and we're gonna go for a 3-minute hold. Best effort, ready? Let's go. So all we can do at this point is just relax and hold it for 3 minutes. There isn't much to it. This is the last exercise, by the way, of this core workout. This core workout is about 10 minutes long, and I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're being challenged. I know I'm gonna be challenged. I'm already challenged. I'm gonna be challenged some more, but there's 2.5 minutes left. So stay with me, lock everything in as much as you can. Don't do this, don't do that. And I'll lower a little bit, almost like a hollow body. Lock those knees, don't want to bend them. Lock them right here. Squeeze those glutes and hamstrings, shoulders, and everything else. And just hold it, fight it with me. I'm already fighting it. If I don't make it, it's okay. I'm gonna do the best that I can. We have less than 2 minutes left. Stay right here. Don't go anywhere. Just hold this plank. Yep, starting to shake. Jello, 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 come on. Halfway done, and here we go. We can see the finish line. Just hold it with me, guys. I'm struggling here. Don't give up. Come on. Hold it with me. I mean, realistically, how far can we fall to the ground? 6 inches? Keep it up here. Keep it up here. Stay with me. Keep everything tight. Tighten up. Come on. Breathe. Relax. And just breathe in and breathe out. We have 1 minute left. Stay here. Come on, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Tight, tight, tight. 45 seconds left. Yes, I'm finding gravity right here too. I want to sag, but I won't. I will not. I'm gonna stop talking soon. 30 seconds left, guys, come on. 20. Hold it. Lock those knees. Tighten those glutes, keep them tight. 10 seconds, we got it. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we get to relax. Woo! Catch my breath, and here we go, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and as always, all the workouts are brought to you every Monday and every Thursday, right here from this basement. Don't forget to come back for the next workout. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Leave a comment down below. Give me a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.